Hello everyone, welcome to Physics Aeron. Today we will derive Ohm's law using drift velocity or relation between electric current I and drift velocity Vd. Now let's see this diagram. Let a electric potential difference is applied across this conductor of length L and a cross section area that is A. Okay, by applying this electric potential difference, a electric field E is set up inside the conductor and that is given as E equal to B upon L. Let the number of free electrons per unit volume equal to N. But we have the volume of this conductor equal to area into length. Now the number of electrons is that is N dash equal to number of electrons equal to area means volume N into volume. This is N means this is N number of electrons per unit volume, but in this volume the number of electron N dash equal to N into A into L. Okay. Now total charge equal to Q equal to N dash into E, that is E N A into L. And we know that under the influence of this electric field, the free electrons begin to drift in the opposite direction of this electric field with an average velocity Vd. The time taken by the free electrons from right side to left side is given by as time t equal to distance upon velocity means drift velocity. Okay. As we know, the electric current is given as electric current electric current I equal to Q upon T. Okay. The value of the Q equal to E N A L. T. What is T? T L upon BD. This is BD. L cancel out. That is E N A or BD. So this is the final answer equal to I equal to N E A B D. This is the relation between, this is the expression of electric current and the drift velocity. Now we have to deduct this formula in the form of Ohm's law. In last lecture we have derived BD equal to EE upon M into tau. This can be written as E upon M. E means B upon L. This is tau. Okay. Now using this formula here, I equal to N E A BD means E upon M. BD means E upon M. This is E upon M into B upon L into tau. Now B upon I, this is, and this can be written as here M into L. Okay, M into L upon N. Okay, E into E square. This is A. Okay, we have used here. Now this is tau. So this is B upon I, and B upon I what? This is constant, this is called resistance. Okay, now we have to find and we have to deduct this formula in the form of Ohm's law. So this is resistance of a conductor. This is R equal to ML upon N E square A into tau. Okay, this can be proof. This is Ohm's law. Now this is proved. Finally, we have derived a relation between electric current and drift velocity, and also we have to deduct this formula in the form of Ohm's law. I think each and every term will be clear. If you have any query or questions, then you can comment and ask and repeat this video. And also don't forget to share this video for your friends and share and like and subscribe. So thank you for watching.